Today we're in the shop at Barr Plastics showcasing one of our latest projects, which is a custom rectangular tank built of Panel-Tim structural panels. These panels allow us to build tanks in any shape or size up to a certain capacity and volume. Here's an example of what the panel looks like. It's a hollow core structural panel with internal stiffening supports at 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters. The panel is also 50 millimeters thick, and the square foot weight of this panel is equivalent to the square foot weight of half-inch thick solid sheet material, but is much more structural than solid sheet material. This tank is approximately 10 feet wide, 16 feet long, and 7.5 feet tall. It has some 8-inch flange fitting connections. There's 4 in total on this tank. It will have an internal plumbing system for overflow and inlet and outlet. It also has a square bolted hatch on top for access. It is fully reinforced inside and has 2 full cross baffles with access to the whole inside of the tank between the baffles. So it enables the tank to be cleaned down the road for service if necessary, and also for repair and maintenance. This tank is going to be used as a stormwater detention tank in the underground of a high-rise apartment building. It's very difficult to install tanks in these areas. The only option is usually poured in place concrete. But this product gives us the flexibility to build tanks that fit the space and meet the needs of the customer. We are able to build all manner of tanks, containments, and various other objects using this material. And this is our first large tank. This is part of a 2-tank order, and we have another subsequent order following up with this one. So thank you for seeing us today and letting us tell you about our projects.